Hi there, welcome back to 110 RC Scale Tales. We've got some good news on the channel. It's finally arrived. The Toyota Landcruiser MN82. Now, to bring you up to speed, I actually ordered this at the beginning of March, and about 6 hours after ordering it, I was sent an email from the company to say that there was no stock available and my order was now a back order. 7 weeks passed with no change to that status. So I took the decision on Thursday last week to cancel the order and look for the truck elsewhere. I did that. I found a company that had the truck in stock, ordered it, and it arrived 72 hours later from China. It's Sunday, it arrived this afternoon. It's arrived, the box is a bit bashed. It's the red one, well, hopefully it's the red one inside. We're going to have a look and see what we get for the money. Now, I paid £36 for the truck with £8 shipping. Absolute bargain, absolute steal. The truck, I've seen some good reviews on the truck, seen some good videos. I've got some hop-up parts to do a hop-up video later, and we're going to take the truck out on a trail later in the week. So all very exciting, all going to be on the channel very, very soon. If you enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit that notification bell for future videos. Please comment, good or bad. Let me know what you think about the truck, the channel, the video. Good or bad, I will reply. Let's waste no more time. Let's get into the box and see what we've got. Enjoy. So this is our MN model, the MN82. It's Toyota official licensed product, Toyota Landcruiser. It's 1/12 scale. There is in the yellow, and giving you more detailed, some upgradable parts which you could buy: the metal axles, oil dampers, metal drive shafts. I've got all these. I bought them at the same time as ordering the truck originally. They arrived, but the truck didn't. So here we are, we've got the truck finally. Let's just have a quick look around the box to see what we've got. Got 3 different color choices. I've gone for the red one. It's ticked that this is the red one. You also get the yellow, and there's also a silver MN82 Pro, which I think is actually the said truck with all the conceivable extras that you can buy for it, so it's ready to go out of the box. The box itself is a bit bashed. It's had a quick journey around the world to get here. Arrived in a polythene bag, so hopefully the truck itself's not received any damage, but we'll soon find out. So let's get it open and have a look. So we've got some molded plastic, and the truck is just sitting there in the middle. Looks like it's in a polythene bag. And there it is. Very, very cool. Looking very good in the red. So underneath we've got some leaf springs, got some link bars there, straight axles, some friction springs. Not bad. We've got an interior, you can just see there, and we've got a drop down tailgate. Now, what else do you get in the box? I've got the controller here. Very strange controller, looks like something out of Star Trek. Some sort of 1960s ray gun type thing. Strange white thing on the front. One thumb steering. Bit of rubber around the wheel. And your usual controls on the top. We'll get some batteries in there and we'll get it going backwards and forwards very, very soon. Now, What I have noticed is it appears to be missing accessories. They're not missing, they're here in this second bag. So open up to see what we've got. We've got the instruction manual, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 pages in English and Chinese. Looks pretty straightforward. I've got a few accessories to add onto the vehicle, which are in this bag here. We've got some accessories, we've got some door mirrors, door handles, vents, got a charger, got a snorkel, got some chrome badges, some glass bits and pieces, wipers, got one of these, whatever that is. And we have got some decals to stick on. So I think what I'll do is I will put all the paraphernalia onto the vehicle and we'll have a closer look at the truck. So there we go, there is the MN82 Toyota Landcruiser, complete with all the accessories, all the bits and pieces, the tailgate hinges, the fuel filler caps, the door mirrors, windscreen wipers, etc, etc. Pretty straightforward, though fiddly at times. I had to glue the little indicator lenses there as they would not fit into the holes that were there, and this one here just would not go in as well, so we had to make the hole a little bit bigger. But other than that, pretty straightforward. The truck itself looks absolutely fantastic. Decided not to put the decals on because I think it looks really nice just in this sort of dark metallic red. Metallic, it's not metallic, this dark red. Opening tailgate at the rear, nice looking truck. Now to access the battery is a 500 milliamp lithium ion battery, and all you do is you open up the bonnet here, little black lead, and it connects, and when you connect it, the headlights start to flash. Controller, very basic controller, like I said before. You turn it on, the end flashes blue, headlights stop flashing, so the controller and the car are now connected. I'll show you. Now, when you move the steering wheel, you notice that the end of the controller lights up blue. Now, the control is very, very basic. Pull back to go forward, and push forward to go back. Quite a lot of control, very slow. And if you want to move away fast, it moves pretty fast. Control is very, very basic. On top you have steering trim, so you can adjust your trim on your steering. You also have a throttle rate bind. So all you do is and also to bind the controller, also your throttle rate. So you press it once. I'll do that again. Press it once. You now have high speed. And press it again. Press it again, and the headlights will flash twice. You now have slow speed. So nice control speed wise. Your lights are on the other button here. Press it once, lights go off. Press it again, lights go on. So that's it, pretty straightforward. Steering's not bad, but no adjustment in steering other than trim. Very cool. So there it is, the MN82, looking absolutely fantastic. Next video, we're going to add all the hop-up parts that I bought originally. I've got a little video of what I actually bought. So that's some wheels, some axles, and other various parts, some metal drive shafts, shocks, etc, etc. So we're going to put them onto the truck, and then we're going to do a running video. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and please comment. Let me know what you think of the MN82, the channel, the video, good or bad. I will reply, and we'll catch you on the next 110 RC Scale Tales video. Keep on crawling, keep on trailing. All the best now. Bye bye.